Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. So this video is just a quick update. Yes, I know the whole master thing. Yeah, I'm actually getting ready to go to bed, and girl have to fix up her face and bare things and brush her teeth, you understand? So this is just my pre-bedtime, settings. But I just figure more or less that I need to come and give you guys an update because I didn't get to release a video last week, which is this week. Yeah, because today is Sunday, so last week. Yeah, I didn't get to release a video, and I just want to give you some rundown. That week has been so crazy, like literally crazy. I have to wake up in the morning 4:30 and I have to get out of the house by 5:30. And when I leave from work, I leave like 3 o'clock, but I mostly reach here like 5 o'clock, 5:30. When I reach, it's like I don't know what to do. Like I have so much stuff to do, I don't know where to start. Yeah, so last week was really crazy. I didn't have any time to myself. I didn't get no time to vlog, and I am pushing to vlog this week. It's gonna be so hectic, and guys, if you see a vlog come out after this, please appreciate it because it is not easy getting out 4 o'clock in the morning, trying to rush to get out by 5:30 so that I am not late. And yeah, so please just appreciate it and stay tuned for the vlog. I'm going to try my very best to vlog, and it is not easy to vlog because I have to travel through downtown, and downtown is safe. Okay, I hold up my phone and all those stuff, so I don't think you're going to see those stuff unless I'm going to travel with my GoPro, and I really don't want no bag of attention, I don't want to draw no attention to me, so I ain't gonna do that. So I'm gonna vlog like in the morning how I prepare my stuff and somewhat of how the week go, while working, studying, vlogging. And this is why guys, when person release their video or do the most, try and appreciate it, like it, subscribe to their channel if you like their content, if you like their personality and all that, and share it, comment, support the thing, you understand? So I am gonna try and vlog this week. If it's even to get up 10 minutes earlier, I'm going to do it for you guys. So please hold me accountable for this. This is why I'm really doing this short clip. I did 3 weeks at a place, and then now I am doing 2 weeks at another place. And believe you me, I didn't apply for anything. I just asked God a question. I said, God, should I start working? And God just opened up the doors and released job opportunity in my way. So I guess that's God answering my question. Say, yes, you should start work. So after this, if it doesn't turn into a permanent job, then I'm going to start applying because obviously that's where God is leading me, even though that's not what I want. But God knows best. So I am encouraging you guys, before you make your next step, ask God. God hears and he will answer. He may not answer the way that you want him to answer, like, yes, Vanessa, you should apply for a job. No, sometimes he send person to ask you to volunteer working, or he send someone, that asks you if you want to do a temporary job or something, or probably just you may be going through Facebook and you see a lot of job listing. Everywhere you go, turn, you see job listing. That's God talking to you. So in life, anything that you're doing, consult God first, and you'll never go wrong. So that's what I am doing, and that's what I am living day by day, consulting God and allowing God to lead me. Yeah, as it relates to relationship, friendship, work, school, everything. God is in the mix, you understand? So as I said, this is just a short update because I didn't get to drop any video. Oh yes, and guys, I didn't vlog not vlog, I didn't go live mainly because I was super tired. I was literally tired. Even today, even though I rest and I got a lot of sleep last night, today I just lay down in the couch and I just wanted to sleep. Even though I didn't sleep, I just felt so tired. I had things to do, but all I could think about is sleep. I had to press, I had to cook, and I just couldn't think about nothing more than sleep. Like waking up in the morning 4 a.m. is not easy, guys. And the days that I have class that starts 8 o'clock to 10, super not easy. So appreciate all those who give you content. You never know what they're going through. You never know the back work that they had to do and the stresses that they had to go through. So just like up their video, like up my video, you understand? Yeah, so I am looking forward for this week, and I must say that God is so awesome. I literally need to talk about this testimony because it's so much in one, you know. Because I have a fear of hospitals. I don't like seeing blood. I don't like seeing people in pain. And if you're in pain, I'm gonna cry for you. So whenever I sense like anything pertaining to that, I try to keep away. So even if someone asks me to follow them to the hospital, like, I'm going to be the last one to volunteer. I don't want to go. I don't want to go near it. And to know that God took me from where I am and placed me in a hospital, not only a hospital, but a baby children hospital, Jubilee Hospital. This is where you see mother is going through pains, baby crying, giving birth, baby dying and all those stuff. Just for me to get over that fear. And when I'm there, I don't feel no fear and all that. So it's just so ironic. Oh, God, take what you're afraid of to use it build you. And it's just, guys, there's just so much to it. There's just so much to it. And whenever I have like ample time, I'm gonna sit down and just tell you all of these testimonies. Like, it's crazy. But yes, as I said, look out for the vlog. I am going to vlog this week. So if you not see it drop by Sunday, I'm not asking for it, to understand. So I'm going to vlog. I'm going to get up if I even 10 minutes before and vlog every day. I am not going to vlog all on the road, just so you know, because downtown is not easy. Yeah. And it's an hospital, so I cannot vlog a lot at the hospital, but I try to capture as much as I can. And yeah, so I'm just gonna vlog this week. Yeah, so guys, that's it. That's just the update that I have for you, and I hope that you are keeping safe. Hope that you're not going outside without wearing your mask. I hope you're washing your hands. And I know it's raining. I know the road is crazy. We have a lot of landslide here in Jamaica. Just keep safe. If you know that you're in the area that is prone to landslide, try and find somewhere to go just so that you can be safe. And if you know anyone that's in danger, lend a hand in help. Try not to give a blind eye, because you never know, you may be in that predicament and you may want someone to help you. So help where you can, and have yourself a great weekend. Love you guys. Bye.